Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Kitchen Caddy is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any modern kitchen, designed to streamline your cooking process and declutter your countertops, making meal preparation a breeze and transforming your culinary space into an organized haven of efficiency and style. Number 5. Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray. Effortlessly slide your coffee maker or air fryer out from under the cabinet. This essential kitchen tool helps you organize your countertop and move frequently used appliances with ease. Our trays come in various sizes to perfectly fit your appliances. Whether it's for an instant pot, air fryer, toaster oven, or coffee maker, we have the right fit for you. Reorganize your kitchen accessories in style without scratching your surfaces. Easily access your coffee maker or air fryer from under the cabinet, or create more counter space for meal prep. Crafted with eco-friendly bamboo and quiet rubber wheels, this accessory complements any kitchen. It allows you to quickly and quietly slide your appliances, becoming your favorite kitchen companion. Designed in Canada with high-grade materials, this tray is built to last. It protects your countertop from scratches, offering you complete kitchen freedom. What we like? This sliding tray offers full countertop motion, allowing you to easily pull appliances out from under cabinets. It comes in multiple sizes to fit various appliances and boasts an elegant design. If you frequently use appliances stored under cabinets and want effortless access, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? The elegant sliding tray was a great solution. Instead of positioning the coffee system pulled out, we placed it on a sliding tray, and bam, problem solved. The elegant sliding tray is high quality and lends a great look to countertop. Slides smoothly, like that the rollers guide straight out in. This is an amazing tool for your heavy kitchen counter appliances. I am using mine for a large, countertop water filtering station. When the water tank is filled with 170 milliliters of water, it is so heavy you cannot move it, at all. Once I put it on the solid wood, sliding tray, I can move it with one single finger. Amazing. It has metal wheels on the bottom that handle the weight and glide so easily and smoothly, I was shocked. Trays look great, well made and work great to access appliances when needed and tuck them under the cabinet when you are not using. Have purchased one for every small countertop appliance. Number 4. Ibyx Elegant Sliding Tray. Tired of appliances being stuck under cabinets? Our sliding tray lets you easily pull out your coffee maker or air fryer, giving you full countertop motion. It's the perfect kitchen tool for organizing and accessing your most used appliances with ease. We offer a variety of sizes to perfectly fit all your kitchen appliances. Whether it's your instant pot, air fryer, toaster oven, or coffee maker, there's a size designed just for you. Find the ideal fit for your needs. Organize your kitchen in style without worrying about scratches. Our appliance slider allows you to easily access items from under the cabinet or create more space for meal prep. It lets you move appliances quickly and easily. Crafted with eco-friendly bamboo and featuring quiet, high-quality wheels, this accessory complements any kitchen. It's designed for smooth, silent operation, making it your go-to kitchen helper. We're here to ensure you're satisfied. Designed with Canadian quality in mind, this tray is made from high-grade materials built to last. It effectively protects your countertop from scratches. Enjoy complete kitchen freedom with this durable and stylish solution. What we like? This sliding tray provides full countertop motion for easy appliance access and is available in multiple sizes. Its construction features environmentally friendly bamboo for an elegant look. If you're looking for a stylish and eco-conscious way to manage your countertop appliances, this tray is an excellent choice. What people say? The elegant sliding tray was a great solution. Instead of positioning the coffee system pulled out, we placed it on a sliding tray, and bam, problem solved. The elegant sliding tray is high quality and lends a great look to countertop. Slides smoothly, like that the rollers guide straight out in. These things are great, durable and easy to clean and use. They give you the versatility that you need in every kitchen. The functionality and ease of use is far better than I thought. They fit right where I want and need them. Not only is the quality superb but they're beautiful and so well made. That sliding feature is a brilliant idea because it frees up precious counter space. Number 3. Upgraded Kitchen Appliance Cord Organizer, 12-pack. Are your kitchen appliance cords a tangled mess? Introducing an upgraded solution designed to keep your countertops neat and organized. It's the perfect addition to any busy kitchen. This improved cord organizer offers more space, making it ideal for thicker and longer appliance cords. Keep your kitchen wires tidy and boost your efficiency with this household essential. Crafted from high-quality, soft rubber, this cord holder is environmentally friendly and safe to use. Its bendable design ensures a perfect fit on both flat and curved appliance surfaces. Featuring an upgraded nano tape, it sticks firmly to your appliances without falling off. The adhesive is also removable and reusable, leaving no traces behind. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the appliance surface, attach it, and allow 6 hours for the adhesive to set. This ensures a firm, long-lasting hold for your wires. From coffee makers and mixers to pressure cookers and hair dryers, it's compatible with a wide range of kitchen and household appliances. It adheres securely to various surfaces like metal, glass, and plastic. What we like? This is an upgraded cord organizer with increased space for thicker cords, made from premium soft rubber. It features a super sticky, removable adhesive. If your main frustration is tangled appliance cords cluttering your countertops, this simple yet effective solution will bring order to your kitchen. What people say. Material is durable, adhesive is strong. These are great to minimize space with cables. Nice and neat. Number 2. Ukeetap 2-pack pull-out storage organizers. Introducing the Ukeetap 2-pack pull-out storage organizers, designed to bring order to your home. This set offers a convenient solution for decluttering various spaces. Measuring 15 inches by 8 inches by 12.8 inches each, these organizers are perfect for your bathroom, kitchen, or under the sink. They provide ample storage without taking up too much space. Crafted from premium thick plastic and metal tubes, these organizers are built for durability. They are designed to hold substantial weight and maintain their shape over time. Featuring a smart bottom pull-out design, accessing your stored items has never been easier. Simply slide out the drawer for quick and convenient retrieval. With a height of 12.8 inches, these organizers offer generous storage capacity. Keep your belongings neatly organized and say goodbye to clutter. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. You can set up these organizers in mere seconds, instantly transforming your storage solutions. What we like? This set includes 2 sturdy and durable organizers with a convenient bottom pull-out design. They are perfect for under-sink or under-cabinet storage. If you need to maximize storage in tight spaces like under your sink or in cabinets and want easy access to items, this value pack is ideal. What people say. They are very easy to install, slide smoothly and take advantage of space perfectly, even in small places. The material feels resistant and of good quality, nothing flimsy. The way the bottom shelf pulls out is really handy. It's pretty easy to assemble these out of the box and they're well made so should last a long while. This under-the-sink organizer is a great way to quickly create more storage and keep cabinets neat. The sliding drawers make it easy to reach items in the back, and it fits well around plumbing. Number 1. Nifty Medium Appliance Rolling Tray, Black. Tired of struggling to reach or move your countertop appliances? This innovative tray is designed to make accessing your coffee maker, stand mixer, or blender a breeze. Featuring an integrated rolling system, you can effortlessly slide your appliances forward and back. This is especially helpful when they are stored under upper cabinets, eliminating the need to lift. Keep your kitchen tidy and stylish with this functional organizer. Its sleek black finish complements any home or office decor, consolidating your appliances in one convenient spot. The non-slip pad ensures your appliances stay securely in place. With ample usable surface dimensions, it provides a stable platform for various kitchen tools. Crafted for longevity and ease of use, this high-quality accessory is built to last. It's hard to break, simple to clean, and designed to solve your kitchen storage dilemmas. What we like? This rolling tray is designed for appliance storage with an integrated rolling system for easy movement. It also features a non-slip pad top to keep appliances secure. If you have heavy appliances like stand mixers or coffee makers that you frequently move but don't want to lift, this tray offers a practical and safe solution. What people say. This tray makes it so much easier. It is easy and works great. No scuffing up your counters or struggling to drag things that might have rubber on the bottom that does not like to glide or move easily. It's easy to use. It slides smoothly. It fits on my counter under my upper cabinet with my Keurig on it. It's just a great, neutral, functional item that's made my life easier. Makes the heavy mixer so easy to access from under the upper cupboard. I just roll it out when I need it and roll it back out of the way when I'm done. No more pushing, pulling, or lifting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.